If Microsoft Word is showing error 142, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. This kind of error can happen because of a damaged Office installation, missing updates, or even corrupted system files on your computer. The good news is that you can try these fixes one by one without needing any advanced technical experience. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. First, let's start with the Office repair option. Open the control panel on your Windows computer and look for the section where you can manage installed programs. Find Microsoft Office in the list, then choose the option to change or repair it. If you see a repair choice, go ahead and run it. This is often one of the fastest ways to fix issues inside Word because it checks the Office files and replaces anything that may be damaged or missing. Once the repair process is complete, restart your computer and try opening Word again to see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing you should do is open Microsoft Word and check for updates. Sometimes error 142 can appear simply because Office is outdated or has a bug that was already fixed in a newer version. Inside Word, go to the Account or Update area and look for any available updates. If an update is available, install it fully and let Word restart if needed. After that, test the program again and see if it opens normally. Now, if Word is still not working, we're going to move on to a more advanced fix using Command Prompt. This step is important because it can help repair broken Windows components that Word depends on. To do this, click the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and then open it as an administrator. You need administrator access for this part, so make sure you right-click and select the option to run it with elevated permissions. Once Command Prompt is open, type or paste this command exactly as shown and then press Enter. 4%I in %windir /system32 \**DLL. Do regsvr32.exe/s%I. This command registers system DLLL files quietly in the background, which can help restore missing or broken file associations that may be affecting Microsoft Word. It may take a moment to run, so let it finish before moving on. After that, restart your computer. This restart is important because it gives Windows a chance to apply the changes properly. When your system loads back up, test Microsoft Word again. If you are lucky, the error may already be fixed at this point. If you still see the same issue, there's one more command you should try. Open Command Prompt as an administrator again, just like before. Then type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This is the Windows System File Checker tool, and it scans your computer for corrupted system files and tries to repair them automatically. Depending on your computer, this scan can take a little while, so be patient and let it complete fully. Once the scan is done, restart your computer one more time and open Word again. In many cases, this combination of repairing Office, updating Word, registering DLL files, and running System File Checker is enough to resolve Microsoft Word error 142. So to quickly recap, start by repairing Microsoft Office in Control Panel, then check for Word updates, then run the DLL registration command in Command Prompt as an administrator, restart your computer, and finally run sfc/scannow if needed. These steps cover the most common causes of the error and give you the best chance of getting Word working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next easy troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.